Verizon customers nationwide experience major phone outages, devices limited to SOS mode. Verizon wireless users across the United States faced significant network disruptions on Saturday, with many reporting that their phones were stuck in SOS mode for hours, effectively blocking regular cellular service. The incident caused widespread inconvenience and frustration among customers as their devices struggled to connect to the wireless network. The problems began around midday Eastern Time, with reports of outages rapidly increasing and peaking by mid-afternoon. According to Down Detector, a popular platform tracking service interruptions, nearly 23,000 complaints were logged just after 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Those affected span the country from California to Florida, reflecting a large-scale issue impacting numerous regions. Phones stuck in SOS mode can still place emergency calls, such as dialing 911, by linking to other carriers' networks, but general call, text, and data functions are otherwise unavailable. This limitation heightened users' concerns, as many found their devices unable to perform basic communication tasks during a crucial part of the day. Verizon promptly responded to the outage, acknowledging the problem as a software issue impacting wireless service for some customers. The company assured the public that its engineers were actively engaged in resolving the disruption as quickly as possible. Verizon also apologized for the inconvenience, expressing appreciation for customer patience throughout the incident. By roughly 9 p.m. Eastern Time, service restoration efforts were underway, with the company reporting progress in affected areas. Social media reactions suggested that the issue might have been more extensive than Verizon initially indicated, with some users describing entire communities or families without service. One customer from Los Angeles noted that all their Verizon-using friends were similarly impacted. This outage echoes a similar event in October 2024, when Verizon experienced a comparable service interruption with reports exceeding 100,000 on Down Detector. The recurrence highlights ongoing reliability challenges facing the wireless provider. Verizon encouraged customers to check its Check Network status page for the latest updates on service and outage resolutions. The incident underscores the critical nature of wireless connectivity in daily life and the significant impact of technological failures on users relying on mobile networks for communication and emergency access. That's it for today's Tech Tide News. Thanks for watching. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech stories coming your way.